I'm hungry.
So lick that coat. You smell like
Grilled cheese.
What?
Grill me a cheese.
I'm not grilling you a cheese. What?
Brother, what's that? What's that, brother?
Open the door, please. Veronica, open the door. Veronica, can we not fight anymore, please? Can we not fight anymore? Veronica, sure you're scared. I've been there. I can set you free.
I had eggs for breakfast. Your mom had sausage. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm fucking it.
Stand down, motherfucker! Or stand up. Or sit down on that chair and stand. Sit down, stand up and sit. Or sit down and stand. Or sit down on that chair and stand up right now, goddammit. Stand there and sit! Fuck! God damn it, I'm fucking mad! Pull it out of your ass and sit on it! Sit down on that fucking chair and stand up, motherfucker! Keep fuck shit! Stand and fucking sit! Fucker!
Daddy!
Did you just call me daddy?
He liked it.
Got issues that I like. Will
gitti kuş kondu dalına. Çıkardım belden dokuzluğu havaya. Dedim bana bir şey diyenin koyarım amın.
Switching sides.
Everybody knows that I'm a good girl, officer. No.
Haven't been zesty in a minute, bro. It's kind of a struggle. I'm not gonna lie. That's too close, man.
No.
Yes!
No!
Why not? Why won't you sing?
Because singing killed my grandma, okay?
I ate my grandma.
Good looks, bro. Where'd the sounds go, huh? Yeah, I ain't got no Jordan Carter sounds no more. Shit. Really 23 doing this shit, though. On the way. Do I like goth girls? Maybe. Do I like goth girls? Should I text my ex? No! 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 Let me be your goth girl. No! Stop hurting him, Daniel. Stop hurting him. Oh, shit. Stop hurting him, man. Oh! Yeah, this is my kind of thirst trap, bro. How y'all doing? Do I play Valorant? Ew! No. Yeah, I got hair. I got a lot of hair. Not a lot of hair, but a lot, you know, like it's not a lot, but it's a good bit. Okay, I'm like, go to sleep. What you mean? Push up XOXO. You want me to do push-ups? You want me to do push-ups? I'm not doing push-ups. Stop this madness. Or don't make fun of me. Okay, stop getting bullied on the internet. Can I put beans in my what? Huh? Victoria's Secret needs you? I'll gladly go over there, bro. Just that human. The fall, yeah. Oh! Can I sit still? Nope. Never back down, never what? Never give up! I don't care! Having trouble in patience class, Porter? I want to star in a Harry Potter movie, and then I want to bully Harry Potter. Y'all are too nice, bro. Y'all are so nice to me. Your laugh. Uncle Dan is old. Dobre not dziecko. Schooling forever!
And why aren't you in uniform?
Thank you for the glizzy. POV, you're a runway model playlist. Oh shit! Oh shit! Hang on! Hold up, this is tough! Oh shit! Oh, what? Oh. It's okay to get nasty, just the way you lie. You say I'm sexy, so bad they should arrest me. You can't forgive me, gave you the time of your life. What you need is a love one. Can't just see what you've been waiting for. What you need, step on up to this, step on up to this, step on up to this crazy love. Step on up to this, step on up to this, step on up to this crazy love. Yeah, I'm waiting, still waiting, 'cause I love what you're doing. Yeah, what you've been waiting for. What you need is a word. What you need, step on up to this, hey, step on up to this, step on up to this crazy love. Step on up to this, step on up to this, step on up to this crazy love. I love Shakira a lot. Thank you for the galaxy. Thank you for the galaxy. Thank you for the galaxy. Thank you for the heart. Thank you for the heart. Thank you for the rose. 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 Oh, someone brought me a drink. Hey! Soccer. Thank you for the chili pepper. It's hot. Like my robot voice sounds like Siri, bro. Turn right now. Right turn. Left turn. Right turn now. Right turn now. You know, I get to be like walking and screaming and shit. He's like, yes. Thank you for the rose. Soccer. Thank you for the rose. Num num num. Thank you for the rose. 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 Thank you. Thank you for the roses. Thank you for all the roses. Thank you for Jesus. Oh. Thank you for the rose. 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 Stop doing that one. Thank you for the chili pepper. It's hot in here. Thank you for the chili pepper. It's hot in here. Thank you for the heart. Thank you for the rose. Thank you for the rose. Thank you for the glizzy. Pause. Thank you for the glizzy. Pause. Thank you for the glizzy. Pause. Num num num. Num num num. Thank you for the rose. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Get a bag, bro. Get a bag. Come on, come on. Thank you for the rose. Thank you for the birds. They fly away in freedom. The birds fly away in freedom. The birds fly away with so much freedom. The birds fly away with so much freedom. The birds fly away. Thank you for the rose. 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 Oh, I'm lagging right now. Lifting weights. Thank you for the weights. Lifting weights. Thank you for the weights. Thank you for the weights. Lifting my weights. I'm lifting my weights. Thank you for the weights. Thank you for all my weights. I'm lifting so many weights. Thank you for the rose. Thank you for the heart. Thank you for the rose. 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 Jesus, thank you for the rose. Thank you for the rose. Thank you for the rose. Thank you for the chili pepper. It's hot in here. Thank you for the rose. Oh God. Thank you for the rose. 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 Thank you for the glizzy. It's hot in here. Wait, no. Thank you for the rose.
Don't look at